Let's test your knowledge. Are you ready? Here we go.
What country has the most natural lakes?
Answer: it's Canada.
What's the most popular drinks around the world?
Answer: water.
What is the name of the tallest grass on Earth?
It's a bamboo.
What is the smallest mammal in the world?
Answer: Etruscan shrew.
Which country consumes the most chocolate per capita?
The right answer is Switzerland.
According to Greek mythology, who was the first woman on Earth?
Answer: Pandora.
What language has the longest alphabet?
The answer is Khmer.
How's your score? Don't forget to comment down below.
Thank you watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.